Good morning to all. Last class we were discussed the chapter of the force. There we are discussing in the 15 question. Today we are remaining the balance question. We are going to discuss the question number 16. State two factors which directly affected the force of friction. Question we are asking which factor or will be directly affected the force of friction. The two factors which directly affected in the force of friction are smoothness of the surface, because the smoothness of the surface we not get the grip, it will be stopping very difficult, it will be slip. Second, the presence of solid, liquid or gas around the moving body. Okay, in our surrounding, solid, liquid, gas, the three state of matter also will be surrounding, it will be moving the body. This two reason way only they directly affected the friction. Now the question number 17, in which case will there be more friction between a truck and the road? When the truck is empty or when it is loaded. Okay, the concept given, when the truck will be empty, the second or the loaded. When the truck is loaded, there will be more friction between the truck and the road because of the more mass, more weight, the between of the that force will be applied to the ground. That is why when the load is more in the truck, we have the friction between in the truck and the road. Now the question number 18, which offers move the friction on a body, a glass surface or the wooden surface? The wooden surface only often move the friction on the body, because the glass will be the very smooth, shining, but the wood will be little rough. That is the reason. Question number 19, name the three kinds of friction. We have the three kinds of the friction: static friction, sliding friction, rolling friction. Now the question number 20, list three disadvantages of friction. What are the disadvantages of in the friction? Point number 1, friction produce heat which damage the moving parts of a machine. When the friction time, the moving parts of the machine will be getting the damage. That is one disadvantage. Point number 2, friction produce wear and tear on the contact surface, this reducing the life of the machine part, the tire and shoes, the other things also will be because of the wear and tear. That concept way we will not getting the lifetime, that part will be not getting. Third point, a lot of energy is wasted due to the friction to overcome it before moving. Before the moving in the object, the energy, lot of energy will be losing. Okay, these are the 3 points of the disadvantage of friction. Now question number 21, when you apply the brakes, the bicycle stops and the rim of the wheel become hot. Explain the reason. What is the reason when we are applying the brake that cycle rim will be become hot? The reason is that it is due to the friction between in the brakes and the rim of the wheel, that it become hot. That brake, the rod like is the, it will be touch with the rim. When we are applying the brake, the both are will be the two surface of the object will be the roughing together, then it will be producing in the heat or hot. Question number 22, the eraser gets smaller and the smaller as you use it more and more. Explain the reason. Because the reason, the eraser gets smaller and smaller as we use it more and more due to the friction force cases wear and tear of the eraser. Okay, suppose when you are writing something, no, by mistake it will be happen, that time we are using the rubber. When we are erasing in the mistake, okay, that paper and eraser both have the friction between the case, that is why it will be making smaller and smaller. Question number 23, list 3 way of reducing friction. How we can reduce the friction? Point number 1, providing ball bringing or wheels between the moving part of the machine or vehicles reduce friction and allow smooth and movement, as rolling the friction is less than the sliding friction. Point number 2, the oiling or lubricant the moving part of the machine reduce the friction. Fine powder like the also will be lubricant, like it can also will be reducing in the friction. Third point, polishing the rough surface reduce the friction offered by it. Fourth point, streaming the giving the special shape and the experience minimum drag the body of the aeroplane, car, boats and ship help the reduce the drag while the traveling through the air. You see the aeroplane and the car, boat, the shape will be in the front side will be the sharp, because it will be reducing in the friction. Now the question number 24, it is difficult to open an ink pot with the grease or oil hands. Explain. Because the reason, when the hand or the oil, then the oil act the lubricant and reduce the friction. There will be the between of the hand and the oil, they have the smoothness, it again reducing the friction. As the friction force is less, it is difficult to get grip of the ink pot and it become difficult to open it. Okay, simple example, suppose if you are opening in the any water bottle or any bottle like this, if your hand will be the wheat or oil, no, it again opening difficult, because of the there that water and oil can reducing the friction. Okay, now question number 25, it is difficult to walk on wheat road. The reason will be the water will be reducing the friction, because when the road becomes wet after rain, the friction is reducing and hence the road become slip. That is the reason, because the water will be reducing in the friction. Question number 26, give 3 examples to illustrate that friction is necessary evil. The example for the friction will be necessary. Point number 1, if a friction were absent, we would not able to walk. If a friction are not there, then we not getting the balancing. Second point, the friction is necessary to burn the matchstick. When the matchstick will be firing, if you not there friction, then fire will be not there. Point number 3, it is due to the friction that we can write on a board by the chalk. The between of the board and the chalk, the both will be the any one will be the smooth, another one will be the rough. Okay, the grip will be not good. Sometimes you can see the it will be slipping. Question number 27, define static friction, sliding friction and rolling friction. The maximum force extended by the force on the body so long as it is remaining stationary, it is called the force of static friction. Then sliding friction, static friction comparing sliding friction is the force will be less. The minimum force required to keep the body moving over the surface such that it is moving equal distance in the equal interval of the time, it is called the force of sliding friction. Third point, the minimum force required to rolling a body on a surface is called the rolling surface. That is why the big mall there will be using for the rolling vehicles. It can easily moving, the carrying the luggage, that will be the rolling. Now the question number 28. Arrange the following in the descending order. You know the descending order means big to small. Static friction, sliding friction, rolling friction. Then static friction greater than sliding friction comparing rolling will be very less. Okay. Now question number 29. A body is need a force F1 just to start motion on the surface. A surface F2 continue it is motion and the force F3 to roll in the surface. What is the static, sliding and rolling friction? That is only they are given the F1, F2. Okay. Then F1 means static friction, F2 means sliding friction, F3 means rolling friction. Then which is less? F2 is less than F1 but greater than F3. Okay, that orders are here given. Okay, these are the question or for the chapter force. Okay, go through for the videos. Okay, next class some question are there. That question we will discuss for the next classes. Okay, thank you and have a nice day.